add, remove, stretch, shrink. Just like that. When it turns white, it has enough. But many times, if the crown is too far away from each other, it does not, or too close to each other, it does not allow enough room for a connector to be made. So if the walls are too close together, there's nothing that the computer can generate for a space between them to get an adequate amount of material virtually in there. And along with the helpful tools down here, it tells you what your square millimeter area is of the connector, which for this it needs to be at least 9 square millimeters.
No.
And when it's too close, it is unable to arrange that. You can choose connector lines to see where they're connected to. Where this is showing that it's really far back here. That's not correct. It should be in the interproximal, not along the lingual. You can drag your line or you can edit your line. Edit your line is like what we do with everything else. Click, 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 and double click to put it back in place. Drag line, it will move whatever is yellow. And you can change the amount that is yellow by right clicking and holding to make it more or smaller of an area. Or just push and pull things along. This connector is going to be messed up, I understand, so don't worry about that one, just make it look correct. You can see how much of the connector is really there. It's barely anything, just because of how close these teeth are. But because of the size of the instrument, it will work just fine. Any questions? All right, that's it. I'm going to save this.